Merry meet, goddesses. My name is Amalya, and I'd like to welcome you to the Goddess Studio of Escondido in the springtime. Come on in. This is the Goddess Studio. This is sacred space dedicated to the sacred feminine that my husband and I built in 2003. And it was inspired by an experience that I had of showing my art at a graduate show exhibition, where I had a whole month to present not only my art, but a ritual and a dance concert. And at the end of that event, that month, I thought, God, Goddess, we need a space like this to create this energy, this sacred container for women in particular, to come and feel the expression of the sacred feminine and to have a space where they could dance and play and do art and feel empowered. So the mission of the Goddess Studio and my mission is to empower women and men to embrace the sacred feminine, to feel empowered, and to live in balance. And I do that here by offering different kinds of events, such as belly dance classes, art workshops, meditation and magic circles, Sabbat celebrations, and priestess training programs. So I invite you to come to our next event here and experience the beautiful community and sacred space of the Goddess Studio and the love of all the goddesses who fill this space. And if you're not here locally in San Diego, then I invite you to subscribe to my e-newsletter and look at the beautiful pictures of our activities that way. So thank you so much for your interest in the Goddess Studio. I look forward to seeing you at our next event. Until then, I am Reverend Priestess Amalya. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Blessed be.